What the car?
Car on office chairs.
Gotta be careful! Get me out of this place! They wanted my money. They didn't give me my Pepsi, so I stole everything I could. Giraffe! You're gonna die, buddy. What? Oh, hello. I didn't see you there. I was just walking around. Hearing this. I'm putting up with my Ludwig Bear Beethoven. But hear this Beethoven guy. Anyways, we are now ready to sport, to Rocket League, to everything. Play, to do everything, to do sports. There we are. Hello, Mr. Football Bear. Okay. How many generators? 3 generators. I'm gonna score. No! No! Okay, look at this. First try. That was an achievement. Rocket League, baby. Okay. We have push the ball. Target practice. And ride the ball. We're gonna go ride the ball first. Like that guy. So I guess that means
Car on ball.
we are on a ball. It was a hole. Wee, wee. I'm dead. Oh, be careful. Can I go to the crowd? Oh my god, again. No! Why are you evil, game? Fine. It will go into the crowd. Wait, where's the car? Where's the car? Is it back there? You know, get out of here. It is. That's why there's a trap there. Evil. Oh my god. Bounce. 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 There you go. Next up, more ball.
Car on and roll.
Roll. I got their legs. Here? No. Okay. Wait. What? There's there. You saw it. Okay. I see it now. I see it now. I see it now. It's here. I'm blind. I'm going home. And now we ball. Hello, bear. Another ball.
Catch the goal.
Oh my god. The goal is escaping. Come here. It's not fair. Oh, I did it. But what is the card? Oh, I think I see it. There's something here. Ah! Look at that. Woo! Easy. Okay, we have the main path, which is one level, and we have the second path. So we're gonna do the second path, bowling, because it's just 2 levels, and we get a nice bowling trophy, I guess. Oh my god. What is this? Oh yes. Kill those guys. What? You gotta hit those. Oh! Oh! Watch this. Ooh! What? Throw. No. There you go. That was dumb. Okay, look at this. Boomba! Oh, wow! Oh, wow, I'm so good. What? It opened the hard level. Wait a second. Wait. The card isn't there. It's over there. Oh! Look at that. Look at that. And now we have a trophy. Hello, Mr. Trophy. What's my trophy? A bowling pin. Thank you. Oh, but now we have to do this again. Oh my god, oh, I'm so good. Oh my god. And we score. Celebratory spin. Where did the bear come from? Come on, man. Oh wait, I need the ball. Okay. Is this Rocket? This is Rocket League right here. Oh god. Oh no. Oh no. There's at least like a railing. But there's no like... Go ball. Good. No. Oh, I think there's invisible walls. Okay. There you go. The bear revenge. No, wait, wait. No, no, no. Y pasa por la derecha. Y la mete. Y la mete. Y es un gol. Bye, Paul. You go to hell now. As I enter the hard level. What do you have to say about this? I'm putting my school level shoes. I'm putting my school level brain. There are lasers.
God of cannonade.
Can't. What? Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Stop. Wait, wait. What is happening? There's like. Whoa. Go. Go. Oh my god. Oh! Oh! Stop. Stop. No, what? I gotta go to work. What do you mean? How? Sticky stones may sticks and stones may break by wheels. Are you sure you want to continue? Yes. You don't have to go. You don't have to use. You can just go back. I don't care. I don't care, Mr. Bear. Oh. I don't care, Mr. Bear. I know I'm dying. No. No! 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 No. Please. Please. No! What the fuck you asked to question to the question? To the question, to question. To the quest. That. This the. Okay. Okay. Are you here? I'm here! Run! Run! No! Honey! Go. 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 Fly. Fly! Oh god! Oh god! What is happening? Go! Oh! I did it! Yes! And I got that crown! Oh, yeah, poopy, boomba bamba. That was hard. I'm back. Okay. Now that we did that very normal level. My favorite sport is sunbathing. Okay. Now that we did that very easy level, we now do the final one from the Ride a Ball, I think it was called.
Catch the ball.
Oh. Yeah. Come here. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Very good. Speed run. Speed run. Easy. Ooh, 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 so evil. Not evil, good. And there you go, we did the zone. We did it. We did it. Generator. And there you go. One generator done. Now we have target practice. What is that? Is it a bear? It's a bear. Bye, bear. Okay. Okay.
Card is full.
What? Oh my god. What? Why? I became what I laughed at the most. Oh my god. Roll. No. Okay, I need to lock in. Oh, what? Oh, fine. These are my brother now. These are my people. Go. I became the ball. No. I want a goal. Okay. I'm gonna be the ball again.
Card takes a long shot.
Okay, go. What was that? Short. Oh no, there it is. There you go. I did it. Okay, this one seems simple. Oh, the controls are... Oh, the controls are wonky. How do I control this? Stop! It does whatever it wants. Oh, what? This is weird. This is weird. Jump there. No! Why is it suddenly so hard to steer this goddamn ball? Ah! Jump. Jump! I am the ball. Why did he do that? Is it acoustic? Okay, so can you jump? Take this stupid car. Jump. Why would you do that? He's dodging the jump. Hello. I don't know what you're doing. Okay. Grab the card. Go back. Good. Now don't die. Thank you. Now go in the goal. Bam. That was infuriating. Oh.
car with soccer cannon.
There you go. This is what we do with a hard level. Maybe we have to wait, but nah. But nah. Why will we wait? Why would we? Don't kill me.
So car it shoots balls.
What? I don't get that one. Going. There's the car there. Come on. Come on. Hell yeah. Golden crown. Don't shoot at me, please. Ow. Ah. We did it. I don't remember the name of the section, but we did it. the ball. Bear ball. The target practice. Now for the last section, push the ball. So what will we have?
Soccer ball.
Soccer the ball. But I'm not done. Stupid bears, get out of here. I saw this precious car right here. I did it. I know it was bad, I wanted the coin. It's the optional. There. What? What do you mean?
It's getting messy.
Messy? Why messy? Oh my god. Go ball. Messi με το γολάσο η Γκάνα! Golazo de Messi! Why these balls? They're jumpy balls. Do you say something? The sucker berries are ripe for the picking. Those are berries? These? These? Oh, okay. Okay then. Next we have... oh my god, we're in a footballin, I think it's called. No. Oh my god, no! Ooh! Oh! Glass! But I want golden. No, Boomba. We score. What? No. Guys, this is harder than FIFA. This is harder than any sports game ever created by humankind. I'm sorry, but that's how it is. No. That's it. That's it. I'm putting on my football shoes. Yes, this is definitely empty. Okay. Bear. Bear. We have more. Oh my god. Oh my god. This exploding barrels. Oh! Oh! Go! 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 But I can't. No! Go back! Go! Go. Go, little ball me. You can do it. What is this? I'm too good! Damn it! I'm too good! No! Stop it. No! You're evil. Stop! You're evil! You're being evil! No! No! Stop! I'm dead. Why would you? And it's not even in the freaking wing! There you go. That's cheating! That's cheating! What do you mean? And it was closed. And golden baby. Yeah! Next up we have Bowl. Rocket League! I knew it! Get over here, I don't care. You. Okay, I do care. Hold on. I think it's best. Oh, you! Stupid bear. ¡Marca golazo! El coche deforme. Okay, that was bad. We have more Rocket League.
Just legging it.
You're legging it. Crap. Wait. There you go. Golazo! Golazo! Football! Can you... Okay, never mind. I'm sorry, bro. Can we... Golazo. But I wanted gold! Okay, we can go to the generator. Or go here. Oh my god, what is this? Oh god, so many legs. Walking through. No! First try. What is in here? A leg. Leg trophy. Okay, but now But now we have a school level.
Backflips are alright.
Wait, what? Is that back? Oh my god! Holy! It is Rocket League. Oh, I'm dead. Flip. No, stop! Don't push me. Don't push me like that. Get out of my way. Get out of the way. So many cameras. Why do you need to record me this much? Backflip. I'm dead. Boost. Backflip. Good. Oh, no! No, please! Okay, okay. No. No! I trust the trampoline. I'm going this way. Okay. Okay, sick flip. I didn't do the flip. But we were gonna go goal! Golazo! That was bad. Oh my god, that was awful. Oh, I can skip it. And I can use the trampoline! There you go. This has to be golden. This has to be golden. Oh! It is! Oh, I'm so good at this game. No, don't retry. I'm so good. Oh. Okay, now we can return to the normal game. Now we have this one.
Hit the ball jack.
Ball jack. Go through. Okay. Bears, get out of the way. Oh my god. I hate when that happens. Kick it. Thank you. I see the ball. The card. No! No. Go there, thank you. I need this. Oh, I'm flipping. I need that card. Thank you. Whee! And now. No! No, why? Return. There you go. You can stop it. You can't. No, it's my ball. It's my ball. Go, ball. Go. Go. With style. And that was golden? What? Okay. Okay. And this is it. This is supposed to be the last level. Which looks pretty simple. But you know me. I am a man who wants hits cards. But how do I... Come on! You just do that like, oh my god, I did it. Oh my god. Oh wait! I'm stupid. They put obstacles. I miss. Maybe this one is the one I need. Okay, I think I need the wind one. I know, game, I know. I want. There you go. I did it. I have the card. Now what I have to do is to have it gold. And there you go. Gold. And I think that's all the levels. Yep. Score. I got the achievement. Okay, so let's see what do we have next. The circus? Longer. The secret is now open. Okay, guys. So next up, we're going to the circus. Even if it doesn't look like there's really a circus, it's more like a desert. But yeah, there's probably something like funny. Much funnier than football. That's what I'm sure of. I don't know what bit to make here. So like it cuts directly to the end. Nose. That's the job.